Are flies spoiling your alfresco meal times? Flies and bluebottles are a menace, especially when there's food around. They're persistent and may carry germs too. The Zero-In FlyGo is a revolutionary new way to keep flies away. The flexible rotating blades produce air movement and iridescent light reflections that keep flies away. It's a great, safe and poison-free way to enjoy fly-free mealtimes. FlyGo is perfect for parties, picnics, barbecues. It works equally well indoors or outdoors. FlyGo can be used freestanding on the table or hung from a parasol. It's powered by lithium batteries and can be easily recharged using the USB cable supplied for many hours of fly-repelling motion. FlyGo is effective, safe and unobtrusive, so you can relax. Take your FlyGo to the checkout now and look forward to enjoying fly-free dining this summer.